Experiencing problems with Tesco app checkout? Let's address the common issues causing payment declines, address mismatches, and CVV errors. Payment declines often stem from insufficient funds, expired cards, or blocks from your card issuer. Tesco uses multiple payment providers, which can complicate things. Address mismatches occur when the billing address in the app doesn't exactly match what your bank has on file. Even a small typo can trigger a decline as a fraud prevention measure. CVV errors are usually simple typos when entering the three-digit code. As of the latest app updates, version 5.8 plus, Tesco has improved payment gateway stability, especially for domestic UK cards, now processing 98% successfully in tests. International cards may still face occasional issues. First, always ensure your card has sufficient funds and isn't expired. This prevents the most common payment declines. Next, verify your billing address in the app matches your bank records exactly. Address mismatches are a leading cause of payment declines as they're used for fraud prevention. Third, double-check the CVV code each time you enter it. The CVV is the three-digit security code on the back of your card. Errors here are common due to typos. If problems persist, restart the app to clear temporary glitches. Clear the app's cache to remove stored data that might cause issues. Confirm your card details through your bank's own app to ensure accuracy. Use Tesco's Add Card feature for secure storage of your payment information. Enable two-factor authentication via SMS for enhanced security, reducing unauthorized declines. Alternatively, enable two-factor authentication using biometrics like fingerprint or facial recognition. With these security features, domestic UK cards now process successfully 98% of the time. During peak times like holidays, expect potential server overloads and try again later. Keep the Tesco app updated to the latest version for the best payment gateway stability. Remember that contactless payments through Apple Pay and Google Pay can often bypass standard card verification issues. Contactless payments now handle 60% of all Tesco app transactions. For recurring issues, contact Tesco's customer support for personalized assistance.